Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3393 for the 2019-20 The Rookies Graded Prizm Basketball Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. It's 10:35 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:35 p.m. Central Time, and 7:35 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Glenn's 2 spots, FRJ 3, Midmo 1, Staple 4, 24 All Day 1, Card 1, Going, Gone 4, Rut Collect 2, Matzaball 2, Jolene 7, Wool 2, Robberman 1 spot. Alright, let's randomize everyone 7 times, and after the 7th time, that will determine our team or teams for the break. Midmo's on top. Jolene is on the bottom. Midmo has the Hawks. FRJ Celtics. Going, Gone Nets. Staple Hornets. Jolene Bulls. All Day Cavaliers. Woolsey with the Mavericks. Card Nuggets. Woolsey Pistons. Matzaball Warriors. Rut Collect Rockets Pacers. Jolene Clippers. FRJ Lakers, Jolene Grizzlies Heat, Going, Gone with the Bucks, Robberman Timberwolves, Staple Pelicans, Glenn's with the Knicks, Going, Gone with the Thunder, Glenn's Magic, Matzaball with the 76ers, Jolene Suns, FRJ Trailblazers, Jolene Kings, Going, Gone Spurs, Staple Raptors Jazz, and last but not least, Jolene has the Washington Wizards. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. See what on both sides. Well. That is a rookie RJ Barrett, Gem Mint 9.5, centering 9.5, corners 9.5, edges 9.5, surface 9. Very nice. New York Knicks, RJ Barrett. Sweet. Let's see who has the New York Knicks. Glenn's 7110. Congrats on break 3393 in the 2019-20 The Rookies Graded Prizm Basketball Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. Then up next, we have break 3401 for the 2020 Football Limited Edition. Thanks.